In today's video, AI Builder Lab will show you how to create viral rust cleaning videos using AI, completely free. These videos look ultra realistic. Let's begin. First, go to the video description. Copy the full master prompt. Now, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. As soon as you run it, ChatGPT will generate 20 random rusted metal objects. You can create a video on any of them. If you don't like the list, simply type "Give more." It will generate a new set instantly. Now, choose one object. For this example, I'm choosing an heavily rusted metal oil drum. If it's number 3 on the list, just type 3 and send it. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate one detailed image prompt and one cinematic video prompt. Now let's generate the image. Go to the Grok AI web version. Open the Imagine section. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, then click Create. Wait a few seconds. You'll get multiple images. Choose the one that looks the most realistic. For example, I'll choose this one because the scene feels more natural. Now it's time to turn this into a video. Click on Make Video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into the Imagine box again. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Now click Generate. Give it a moment. And your rust cleaning animation is ready. All of this works because the master prompt was carefully designed by AI Builder Lab. Now simply upscale the video and download it. That's it. You just created a viral style rust cleaning video using AI, completely free. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Builder Lab, and I'll see you in the next video.